Moving on to 10.3, arcs and chords. Obviously, this is talking about a chords, because just looking at that picture. So in the same circle or in congruent circles, two minor arcs are congruent if and only if their corresponding chords are congruent. So they're saying that these two are congruent. So that would make these two congruent. Gotcha. Theorem, if a diameter of a circle is perpendicular to a chord, then it bisects. Remember what bisects means? To divide in half. The chord and its arcs. Okay, so because of this guy, perpendicularity, that this and this are the same, which means that this and this are the same. And these kind of are like the opposites. The perpendicular bisector of a chord is a diameter or radius of the circle. If AB is perpendicular to the bisector of chord XY, then AB is a diameter of circle C. Moving on. In the same circle or in congruent circles, two chords are congruent if and only if they are equidistant from the center. So that means that this and this are the same because of perpendicularity. Perpendicular. These are also the same. Moving on. Equidistance means the lines are perpendicular and bisect of the chords. Sorry. Add that. What else do I have? Okay. A circular piece of jade is hung from a chain by two wires around the stone. So these are chords. They are perpendicular to each other. Find the measure of KL is 90. How much is JM? Well, they're going to be the same. So the measure of the measure of JM arc is equal to 90. It's the same. Same as KL. Because of that. Okay. Circle A, circle B, we have WX, okay, is equal to YZ. Find WX. So here's WX, here's YZ. They say they are congruent, so they are equal to each other. So 7x minus 2 is equal to 5x plus 6. Minus 5x plus 2. 2x is equal to 6, 7, 8. X equals 4. And we're trying to find WX, which is 7 times that 4 minus 2. 28 minus 2 is 26 for the measure of WX. Okay. D to E is 150. Oh, sorry, DEF, that whole thing, like that. All right, so how can we find out how much just DE is? Well, since this is a bisector, because of that congruency, because of the perpendicularity, we would just take 150 and divide it by 2. So the measure of DE is 75. All right, now we have the stepping stone. The diameter is 18 inches long. The chord EF, can hardly see it, but here it is, E to F is 8. Find E to D. Well, EF, because of this perpendicularity, and ED. That is so weird. Why is this so easy? 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Next, oh, this might be a challenge, you think? Okay, EF. Is 24. And it's also equal to this. Okay, so these two are equal. These two, since they're equal, that means they're equidistant from here. That means these two are congruent as well. So all we have to do is just say they're equal to. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3. Times 2x minus 2x, add 3, add 3, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. What is p to q is 4 times 3 minus 3. What's 12 minus 3? 9. P, q. And that's a line. Hey, these are kind of fun. Do we have more? We do not. We're done.